In the land of 10,000 lakes, southwest Minnesota has very few. The people of Lincoln, Pipestone, Minnesota respect their land as it has always been relied upon, particularly for agriculture. They believe in sustaining their natural resources and preserving their very limited water supply, including drinking water and the beautiful Pipestone Creek. Farming crops and livestock are what makes this region thrive. With farming comes nitrates and a real threat to the health of the residents and their environment.
Nitrates are largely a result of agricultural practices, fertilizers that go on crops and seep down into the groundwater over time. So it's pretty much, you find it all over the United States, in particular where there's a lot of agricultural practices going on. The main health issues associated with nitrate are a reduction in oxygen carrying capacity of the blood, particularly in infants, and it can cause them to literally go blue.
Lincoln Pipestone Rural Water serves a 12-county area. They are committed to enhancing the quality of life by providing reliable, high-quality, affordable water in an environmentally responsible manner.
We were giving the notice of violation that we were discharging chemicals into the environment that was harmful, and it was a result from our discharge from our reverse osmosis treatment of sending water out to our public.
Membrane processes and ion exchange all work very effectively to remove nitrate. The challenge with each of those processes is that they just separate the nitrate from the drinking water stream. So you end up with a concentrated waste stream that has a lot of nitrate in it. So Lincoln Pipestone Rural Water contacted us about a year and a half ago. What they're dealing with here is they have a nitrate problem where they want to treat the nitrate without creating a waste stream.
Biological water treatment is a very simple process. Organisms that already exist in the groundwater acclimate a biological reactor, and within a short period of time, you have an active nitrate reducing system.
So what we're doing here in Pipestone today is we're wrapping up a pilot study that we've been doing with Lincoln Pipestone Rural Water, where we have been taking the biota system, looking at it at the pilot scale, confirming and developing design criteria for what we hope is the eventual full-scale system. And biota is a system that efficiently removes nitrate, converting it all to innocuous nitrogen gas.
We were aware that Carollo has a very good reputation in the water industry, and so I contacted them and got a pilot started, and we're really excited about it because it not only gets the nitrates out of the drinking water, but it also destroys that nitrate from the environment. It takes it out of the environment altogether.
So an important aspect of applying any new technology to a drinking water system is that you've got to pilot test the system. You've got to work with the regulators so that they get comfortable and will approve the technology. You've got to work with the operators and the owner, make sure that they feel good about the technology, and you have to develop design criteria. In the biota system, water is pumped out of the ground, and we amend that water with food they need to degrade that nitrate. That water is pumped into the first stage pressure vessel, which is where the bacteria are growing in biofilms on activated carbon media. In that vessel, the nitrate is reduced to nitrogen gas. Coming out of that vessel, we reoxygenate the water, and we add a little bit of polymer to condition the water. That water is then pumped through that second stage pressure vessel, which polishes the water and filters out turbidity. The water is then pumped to the clear well for final disinfection. So this is the brains behind the pilot skid. This is the PLC. On the outside, you can see the human-machine interface right here. It gives us all the readings from our inline sensors. We have nitrate, nitrite, dissolved oxygen sensors, and turbidimeters. Those are monitoring water quality real time, and we see those data here, and they're recorded every 15 minutes. You can either make these sets, establish the set points here standing in front of it, or you can run this from any internet connection on your laptop from any place in the world.
When we do this full scale, we've already tested every part of that process, and we can scale it up and be confident in the full scale installation.
We had looked at about 4 different methods of removing nitrates here, none of them worked out. None were feasible, but since we have learned about the company, they've been tremendous to work with. All the information that we ever needed, they provided. The results have been phenomenal. I think we just got approved by the Department of Health yesterday to use this system, and so we're really excited about that.
The biotta system will save us money in energy cost. It will save us money in the fact that we have less discharge and able to produce more for our customers instead of wasting that to the ground. And it will produce a high quality water, which I have tasted in the pilot study, and it tastes really good.
The biotta system has proven to be the perfect solution for Lincoln Pipestone's water problems. As a modular system, biotta can be configured to any size population to attain the same environmentally responsible results of nitrate-free pure water with no waste stream and cost savings from lower energy usage and less discharge.